Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're diving into the DJI Osmo 360, DJI's very first 360-degree action camera. It boasts stunning buzzwords like 8K video, rugged build, and handy shooting modes. But how does it stack up in real-world use in 2025? Let's get into it. Quick reminder, everything featured in this video is linked in the description. Scroll down if you want to check it out. Compact and rugged, the Osmo 360 weighs just 183 grams and carries an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Despite being rated to 10 meters, DJI advises against underwater use due to possible stitching errors in extreme conditions. It has a sleek matte finish, solid build, and dual 360-degree fisheye lenses with durable coatings. Though lenses aren't user swappable, this camera delivers native 8K 360-degree video at 50 frames per second and can capture continuously for up to 100 minutes at 8K 30 frames per second. It's the first in its class with 1-inch equivalent square sensors that use 25% more of the sensor area. Expect vivid color and sharp details. Extra perks include 4K at 100 frames per second for slow-mo, 120 megapixel stills, super night low light mode, invisible selfie stick effect, and DJI's dual stabilization systems, Horizon Steady and Rock Steady, for smooth footage. You control and edit footage through the DJI Mimo app or the more powerful DJI Studio on desktop. Both offer reframing, subject tracking, quick auto edits, and full manual editing tools. Integration is polished, especially if you already use other DJI gear. It comes with 4 built-in microphones, which do okay indoors but struggle with wind. Thankfully, DJI's Osmo Audio wireless mics can be plugged directly in for vastly improved sound. You get 105 to 128 gigabytes of built-in storage and can extend recording time via micro SD. In practice, the battery delivers around 110 minutes at 8K 30 frames per second before needing a recharge. Far better than many rivals. Pro's amazing 8K/50 frames per second video with wide dynamic range and sharp detail. Compact and rugged, perfect for travel and outdoor use. Long battery life, impressive stabilization, and the invisible selfie stick feature. Brilliant for content creators. Stellar ecosystem integration. Works smoothly with DJI accessories and subscription-free software. Cons: built-in audio is weak, especially in windy or fast motion scenarios. External mic recommended. Cannot use underwater due to stitching issues, even though it's waterproof rated. No lens replacements available, so damage to the lens is costly. Insta360 X5 still wins on modularity. Editing software is strong, but could use polish in the mobile app experience. The DJI Osmo 360 is a powerful, polished entry into 360-degree cameras. It offers exceptional image quality, smooth stabilization, and great battery life, all in a compact, rugged body. Its seamless integration with DJI's ecosystem is a major plus. If you already use DJI gear or want to step into 360 filming with minimal fuss, it's a top choice, especially when priced below its rival, the Insta360 X5. But if you need ocean-ready housing, user-replaceable lenses, or onboard audio excellence, the X5 still edges ahead. If this review helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. New here, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. You deserve top-tier advice. Among your top 5 camera picks this year, the DJI Osmo 360 definitely deserves a spot.